In today's video, I'll be showing you how to get Walmart Plus as an employee. First, ensure you are a current Walmart employee and eligible for the Walmart Plus benefit. Walmart employees can get Walmart Plus for free as a part of their benefit package. This offer may differ based on your location, position, or tenure with the company. To sign up for Walmart Plus, you'll need to access your Walmart Associate account. Open your browser. Then in the search bar, type in Walmart Associate account. Here, tap on the link that says One Walmart. Here, click on the login option in the top right corner. Log in using your employee credentials. Once you're logged in, look for the Walmart Plus enrollment section. Click on the Walmart Plus enrollment link. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your Walmart Plus sign-up. The system will verify that you are an eligible employee. You may need to provide some personal details or confirm your employee status. Once you're signed up, you can immediately enjoy the benefits of Walmart Plus. And that's it.